Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here. Let me show you a new setup that is completely very powerful and working so good, and that you can based on this you can trade in stocks and stock options. Let me show you what is this. This is based on completely price action. We have selected strong 50 Nifty 50 stocks that are from different sectors and segments. For example, ONGC, TCS, Infi, HCL Tech, Adani Enterprise, Adani. We can select more stocks, but I have selected these many stocks as our primary setup. After the primary setup, what we get is we also get an alert in the morning itself by 9:15 itself. So today is 9/12. I am showing you this. See, you can see this. This is stock is TCS, and by 9:20 we get these. By 9:20, even before that also. For example, yesterday at about 15:03, you can check this. Okay, let me show you in a bigger screen. Like so, before I explain you all these things about this price action system, you can contact me at my number 9492340656. I request you all to watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel because this is a new channel. I request you all to be there. We can discuss and we can grow together. And then again, now I will show you the stocks that are popped up in our alert system. This is called price action, purely price action with three things, considering the three things like is the relative volume and relative volatility and also RSI. And I have given a scoring system to the stocks, and we get these as alerts here. It is very easy for us to select a few Nifty 50 stocks only, strong stocks that will give. For example, today we got let me show you the setup here. The stock setups now you got is Infis, HCL Tech were the bearish stocks, and also we get top stocks like this ONGC on the buy side and Infi on the strong breakdown, and HCL Tech is a strong breakdown. So it also recommends you whether to buy a call option or buy a put option. And then again we have the setup quality score. What is the quality of score of this curve? For example, let us go and check ONGC. Market is falling today, and let us check this ONGC. Okay, ONGC. Let me go here. ONGC. Let us go and consider this ONGC. And here, once we go here and check this chart once, see, this is a bullish because we got in this sheet ONGC is bullish, and we can go for a buy strong breakout and buy CE, and everything is given. See, IT sector is bearish, banking sector is bearish, metals is of course bullish. So we got oils and no metals and oils, high beta stocks sideways. Everything is given over here. Now, what is the alert? You can see the memory of the alerts. That at what time we have got, whenever we get a stock, we get the details. For example, yesterday I'll show you the alert system also. Yesterday we got an alert. For example, let me click jump to Monday. Yesterday at about morning in the morning itself, we got a SBIN P. Let me show you what happened in SBIN. So SBIN P. Okay. You can see yesterday it was falling, and this was yesterday's candle, and it has fallen. And now I can show you another stock SBIN. After SBIN, uh, we got Bharti Airtel. Okay, Bharti Airtel also was bearish yesterday. Bharti Airtel. This is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel has fallen well, super fall yesterday. And then we have intraday stocks. We got continuous SBN was continuing. Bharti Airtel was continuing. It was there. And at about 3 o'clock, we got HCL Tech. Okay, let me show you that also. See, at about 3:35, you can see intraday alert. That is HCL Tech strong breakdown. That is score is 85. RSA is at about 30. So there is a lot of chance that the stock would fall. Okay, let us go and check this HCL Tech. HCL Tech. This is HCL Tech. Then you can see by 3 o'clock itself we got it. So this is the 3 o'clock time. and from there it started falling, and it went down to 1157 from this point to 1194 to 1157. So this way, this gives you the best stocks that are in the on the bullish side, on the bearish side. It also recommends you which side you should be. Like for example, entry was also given. 1206 was the entry, and everything, stop loss, targets, kinds of everything is given here. And we have our system over here, and the strength is also known. The strength of the sector, for example, IT, banking, metals, auto, energy, and high beta stocks. So what I've done is that here you can see that HCL Tech in the morning at yesterday, but 3 o'clock we've taken this HCL Tech into consideration. That you can see here, HCL Tech current view is bearish breakdown, and price was 119660. 119660 at that point of time. You can see here 119660. From there, it started falling. So, what was the strike price we recommended? We have seen that we have gone through it at 1200 put option because it was at so let us go and check 1200 put option. So let us go and see 1200 put option. Let me add to this, and we can go over here. HCL Tech 1200 put option. This is HCL Tech 1200 put option. Yesterday from 27 to today it is 56. The lot size is around no, it is 350. So it is this lets you know technically very strong. It filters stocks based on the RSI, and it also filters the stocks on a complete price action. It takes the signals, volume, RSI, and everything is considered in this. All required things are considered, and it will let you know which side is there. For example, FinFi is buy PE, HLT buy PE, Techem no trade, and Tata Steel watch list. JSW also watch list. You can add them to your watch list. For example, let us go and check. Let us go and check HCL Tech. Tata. Yeah, this is Tata. What is it? Tata Steel. Okay. Tata Steel you can add to your watch list because there is no movement. So once it everything is all the conditions are matched, you get it might change to buy PE or buy CE. So this is one of the best and easiest system that you can trade in Nifty 50 stocks. So all the data is taken from trading view, and live data. We get live data, and we also get sector data. So sectorial data also we get, and overall market trend is also shown over here. So you can see the overall market trend is also shown like this, and stocks are displayed like this. This is another system of market outlook. The overall market outlook is also shown here, and the best stocks are filtered over here, and the best strike price is also filtered. And we have a price action system where you get alerts like this. Let me show you the alerts. This is a price action, complete price action based on this. Those who are interested in price action trading for Nifty 50 stocks, this is one of the best platform and best system that you can depend on trade on this. Thank you. Thanks for watching this. If at all, if you are interested, you can contact me uh, at my number 949-234-0656. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.